So Benny, tell me about the shared smart hard drive from Halos.
CAD drive that is built in 1 terabyte hard drive inside. It's for multi-users that they share the files through CAD drive app. And you could store all your smart devices, photos, videos, and even music into CAD drive. Each one that has an independent account that is invisible to others.
And is it available yet?
Yeah. We launched on Indiegogo on last November, and we launched this year, that is at the end of January, it will be ready to sell to the market.
And how much?
$99.
$99. How much storage is this?
1 terabyte.
1 terabyte for $100, less than $100.
Less than $100.